Imagine spending months studying for an IT certification, only to realize it, not recognized by employers in Saudi Arabia or the UAE. Not only have you lost precious time, but you've also invested money and effort that could have been directed elsewhere. This is a common pitfall for many IT professionals aiming for GCC jobs. The stakes are high. Choosing the wrong certification can delay your career growth and set you back in a competitive market. In this video, we'll show you how to avoid these costly mistakes and make smart decisions for your future. Welcome to GCC Tech Insights, where we help you navigate your career journey with confidence. Everywhere you look online, people are talking about IT certifications. Whether it's cloud computing, cybersecurity, or software development, the advice can feel overwhelming and often too generic. But what actually works for the GCC job market? That's the question we're answering today. We'll cut through the noise and focus on certifications that are truly valued by employers in Saudi Arabia and the UAE. No more guessing or following outdated trends, just clear, actionable guidance tailored to your career goals in the region. Are you planning to move to the GCC for work? Maybe you're a developer looking for better roles, or a fresh graduate trying to pick your first IT certification. Perhaps you're already working in Saudi Arabia or the UAE and want to accelerate your career growth. If any of these sound like you, this video is made for you. We'll break down the certification landscape and help you make informed decisions, whether you're just starting out or looking to level up in your current job. Let's talk about the reality of the GCC job market. In countries like Saudi Arabia and the UAE, IT certifications are not just a nice-to-have, they're often essential. This is especially true for government projects and large enterprises, where compliance is a top priority. Industries such as banking, aviation, and oil and gas rely heavily on certified professionals to meet strict regulatory standards. Certifications are frequently mandatory for audits, approvals, and contracts. In short, if you want to succeed in the GCC, certifications are not optional, they're a critical part of your career path. Certifications in the GCC are more than just a line on your resume. They serve as proof of your skills and knowledge, giving employers confidence in your abilities. For many organizations, especially those in regulated industries, hiring certified professionals is a requirement. This means that having the right certification can open doors to better job opportunities and higher salaries. It's not just about passing an exam, it's about demonstrating your commitment to professional growth and meeting the region's high standards. GCC employers, especially in Saudi Arabia and the UAE, look for candidates who can hit the ground running. They want professionals who are not only technically skilled, but also certified in areas relevant to their business. This is particularly true for roles in government, finance, and large-scale enterprises. By understanding what employers value, you can tailor your certification choices to match their expectations and stand out in a crowded job market. The GCC region is home to several booming IT sectors, including cloud computing, cybersecurity, software development, and data analytics. Each of these sectors has its own set of in-demand certifications. By focusing on the sectors that are growing fastest, you can position yourself for long-term success and job security. We'll explore which certifications are most valuable in each of these areas throughout this video. Cloud computing is a major focus for many GCC organizations. Certifications from providers like AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud are highly sought after. These certifications demonstrate your ability to manage cloud infrastructure, deploy applications, and ensure security in a cloud environment. If you're interested in roles related to cloud technology, earning a certification from one of these major providers can give you a significant edge. Cybersecurity is another top priority for GCC employers, especially in sectors like banking and government. Certifications such as CISSP, CISM, and CompTIA Security Plus are widely recognized and respected. These certifications prove your expertise in protecting systems, managing risks, and responding to security incidents. With cyber threats on the rise, certified professionals are in high demand across the region. Software development remains a core area for IT professionals in the GCC. Certifications like Microsoft Certified, Azure Developer Associate, Oracle Certified Professional, and Certified Scrum Master are valuable for developers. These certifications validate your coding skills, understanding of development frameworks, and ability to work in agile environments. If you're aiming for a developer role, choosing the right certification can set you apart from other candidates. Data analytics is rapidly growing in importance across the GCC. Certifications such as Microsoft Certified, Data Analyst Associate, Google Data Analytics Professional Certificate, and SAS Certified Data Scientist are highly regarded. These certifications show your ability to work with data, generate insights, and support business decisions. As more organizations invest in data-driven strategies, certified data professionals are becoming increasingly valuable. Project management skills are essential for IT professionals leading teams or managing large projects. Certifications like PMP, Project Management Professional, and Prince2 are widely recognized in the GCC. These credentials demonstrate your ability to plan, execute, and deliver projects on time and within budget. For those aiming for leadership roles, project management certifications can be a game changer. Highly regulated industries like banking and oil and gas, compliance and audit certifications are crucial. Credentials such as CISA, Certified Information Systems Auditor, and ISO 27001 Lead Auditor are often required. These certifications prove your expertise in ensuring organizations meet regulatory standards and pass audits. If you're interested in compliance roles, these certifications can open many doors. In choosing a certification, you'll encounter both vendor-specific and vendor-neutral options. Vendor-specific certifications focus on a particular technology or platform, like Microsoft or AWS. Vendor-neutral certifications, such as CompTIA or ISACA, cover broader concepts and skills. Both types have their advantages, so consider your career goals and the needs of employers in the GCC when making your choice. If you're just starting your IT career, entry-level certifications can help you get your foot in the door. Certifications like CompTIA A+, Microsoft Fundamentals, and Cisco CCNA are recognized by employers and provide a solid foundation in IT concepts. These credentials show that you have the basic skills needed for junior roles and can be a stepping stone to more advanced certifications. As you gain experience, mid-level certifications become important for career progression. Credentials like Microsoft Certified, Solutions Associate, AWS Certified Solutions Architect, and Certified Ethical Hacker, CEH, are highly valued. These certifications demonstrate your ability to handle more complex tasks and take on greater responsibility within your organization. For senior professionals, advanced certifications can unlock leadership roles and higher salaries. Certifications like CISSP, PMP, and AWS Certified Solutions Architect, Professional are recognized across the GCC. These credentials show that you have mastered your field and are ready to lead teams or manage large-scale projects. Some industries in the GCC require specialized certifications. For example, oil and gas companies may look for certifications in industrial cybersecurity, while banks may require specific compliance credentials. Research the requirements of your target industry to ensure you choose certifications that align with employer expectations. If you're aiming for roles in government projects, be aware that certifications are often mandatory. Government contracts in Saudi Arabia and the UAE typically specify which certifications are required for different roles. Make sure to review job postings and project requirements carefully to ensure you meet all necessary criteria. Large enterprises in the GCC often have strict hiring standards. They look for candidates with certifications from reputable organizations and proven experience in relevant technologies. Staying updated with the latest hiring trends can help you choose certifications that align with employer needs and increase your chances of landing top roles. Certifications can be expensive, so it's important to balance the cost with the potential value they bring to your career. Consider factors like exam fees, study materials, and renewal costs. Choose certifications that offer the best return on investment based on your career goals and the demands of the GCC job market. Some certifications are available in multiple languages, while others are only offered in English. Make sure you're comfortable with the exam language and check if there are localized resources or training available. This can make a big difference in your preparation and exam success. Many IT certifications require renewal or continuing education to stay valid. Be sure to understand the renewal process and any ongoing education requirements before committing to certification. This will help you maintain your credentials and stay competitive in the job market. Not all certifications are created equal. Choose certifications that are credited and widely recognized by employers in the GCC. Look for credentials from reputable organizations and avoid lesser-known or unaccredited programs that may not be valued by hiring managers. Think of certifications as building blocks for your career. Start with entry-level credentials, then progress to more advanced certifications as you gain experience. This structured approach will help you develop a strong skill set and demonstrate continuous growth to employers. Joining professional networks and communities can enhance the value of your certifications. Participate in local IT groups, attend industry events, and connect with other certified professionals in the GCC. Networking can help you stay updated on job opportunities and industry trends. Once you've earned your certifications, make sure to showcase them on your resume, LinkedIn profile, and job applications. Highlight your credentials in interviews and explain how they relate to the roles you're applying for. This will help you stand out to employers and demonstrate your commitment to professional development. The IT industry evolves quickly, and so do certification requirements. Stay updated on the latest trends, technologies, and employer preferences in the GCC. Regularly review your certification path and be ready to adapt as the market changes. Avoid common mistakes like choosing certifications that aren't recognized in the GCC, neglecting renewal requirements, or failing to align your credentials with employer needs. By being strategic and informed, you can maximize the impact of your certifications and accelerate your career growth. Using the right IT certification is a crucial step for anyone looking to build a successful career in Saudi Arabia or the UAE. By understanding the job market, focusing on in-demand credentials, and planning your certification path, you can set yourself up for long-term success. Take the time to research, invest in your education, and stay proactive in your professional development. Your future in the GCC tech industry starts with the right certification choices.